and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. You're watching the newsprint and let's look at the news that made the headlines today. Israeli forces are currently involved in intense fighting, making the most substantial day of conflict since the start of the ground invasion in Gaza. The main city of Khan Yunis in southern Gaza is under heavy bombardment by the Israeli military. The city was encircled by Israeli forces on Tuesday, leading to more than 250 airstrikes across the Gaza Strip. The armed wing of Hamas, the Al-Qassam brigades, reported intense clashes with Israeli forces. These operations resumed following the expiration of a ceasefire agreement between Hamas and Israel last week. 10 members of the Bharatiya Janata Party, including 2 union ministers, submitted their resignations from the Lok Sabha after winning assembly elections. The MPs, who won in the states of Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh, met with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP President JP Nadda before submitting their resignations. Notable among them are Ministers Narendra Singh Tomar and Prahlad Patel. This move comes as part of a political realignment following state election victories, with the possibility of a reshuffle in the Union Council. The Union Home Ministry, through the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center, has taken action against more than 100 websites operated by overseas individuals involved in organized illegal investments and part-time job frauds. Following recommendations by the National Cybercrime Threat Analytics Unit, these websites were blocked under the Information Technology Act. The platforms, using digital ads and chat messengers, were implicated in laundering proceeds from economic crimes out of India through various channels. This move is part of the government's initiative to combat cybercrimes and follows recent actions against illegal betting apps. On Wednesday, the Indian Meteorological Department reported that cyclone Miksham has diminished into a depression in northeast Telangana. Southern regions of Odisha experienced moderate rainfall on the same day. Simultaneously, residents in Chennai grappled with stagnant water and power outages in certain areas of the city and its outskirts. Civic agency personnel were actively engaged in relief and rehabilitation operations. Meanwhile, in Parliament, DMK MP T.R. Balu addressed the matter, urging that the floods triggered by Cyclone Miksham in Tamil Nadu be declared as a national calamity. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has responded to BJP's criticism by questioning the party's contribution to Bengaluru's development during its 4-year tenure. He dismissed BJP's claims of governance disruption due to ministers' involvement in Telangana elections, stating that only a few ministers were engaged. Siddaramaiah emphasized the Congress-led initiative Brand Bengaluru and criticized BJP's track record, highlighting issues like potholes during their term. Devegowda D, who had been evading arrest for over 2 decades after allegedly stealing a music stereo in 1997, was finally apprehended while working at an eatery inside the court complex. The police, armed with tracking technology, located him at the unexpected venue. Devegowda claimed ignorance of the warrants against him, stating he lost contact with his advocate after attending a few trials. The arrest unfolded after a local court issued non-bailable warrants, prompting the police to trace him and discover his unusual hiding place. After the assassination of the chief of Rashtriya Rajput Karni Sena, Sukhdev Singh Gogamedi in Jaipur, tensions have prevailed in Rajasthan. Identified shooters prompted a 5 lakh rupees reward for information, leading to protest and a Rajasthan Bandh. Gangster Rohit Godra claimed responsibility, citing a prior feud while police investigate the murder that left Gogamedi dead and 2 associates injured. On Wednesday, the government requested approval from the Lok Sabha for an additional net spending of 58,378 crore rupees in the current fiscal year. The Minister of State for Finance, Pankaj Chaudhary, presented the first set of supplementary demands for grants for the fiscal year 2023-24 in the Lok Sabha. These extra demands for grants comprise a gross additional spending of over 1.29 lakh crore rupees, offset by savings of 70,968 crore rupees. As per the proposal outlined in the Lok Sabha, the net cash outgo aggregating is estimated to be 58,378.21 crore rupees. The additional spending includes an allocation of 13,351 crore rupees for the fertilizer subsidy. Lionel Messi has been selected as Time Magazine's Athlete of the Year for 2023, recognizing his remarkable season characterized by winning an 8th Ballon d'Or and making a groundbreaking move to Major League Soccer's Inter Miami. Time highlighted Messi's transformative influence on American sports, which was traditionally slower to embrace soccer. Messi's presence, according to Time, has led to a notable increase in attendance, ticket prices, merchandise sales, and viewership. The 36-year-old who joined Miami in July contributed significantly with 11 goals in 14 games across all competitions, leading the team to secure the League's Cup, their first ever trophy. On Wednesday, Indian leg spinner Ravi Bishnoi claimed the top position in the ICC T20I bowling rankings following his outstanding performance against Australia, where he was named the player of the series. The 23-year-old played a pivotal role as India's key bowler in the recently concluded series, securing 9 wickets from 5 matches. Bishnoi, currently holding 699 rating points, has climbed 5 positions to overtake Afghanistan spinner Rashid Khan, who is now at 692 points for the top spot. Bishnoi stands as the sole Indian bowler within the top 10 of the T20 format. Well, these were the headlines for today. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.